So I've already primed and moisturized my face. The first thing I'm going to do is to go in with the Laneige BB cushion. And I'm just going to pat that all over. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline, just to go over my dark spots. I think if you're rushed in the morning, you can totally skip this. Next thing I'm going to do is to fill in my brows, and I'm using the NYX micro pencil. So now that my brows are good, I'm gonna go in and do my eyes. So I'm just gonna tightline with the black pencil eyeliner. After I'm done this, I'm just going in with the Tartelette palette, and I'll be using Supermom and Wanderer. So I'm just gonna apply Supermom as a base, and go in with Wanderer, which is like this dark brown shade. Usually if it's for work, I don't bother getting too creative with my my shadow. So I think a neutral shade like brown works well for me. And then instead of a liquid liner, I just go in with a darker eyeshadow and apply it like an eyeliner. And then the next step I'm going to do is curl my lashes. And then for mascara, I'm using their Real by Benefit. So just apply a couple of layers. And then I'm just going to go back and curl it again so it holds. As my second final step, I'm going to go in with a blush. I think you can use any blush of your own, but I'm using the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade Peach. So it's sort of like a light pink color. Just apply it to my cheeks. As the last step, I'm just going to apply some lipstick, and I'm using Smashbox. The shade is Always On. And then there you have it. Here's the everyday makeup look. Takes me probably less than 10 minutes to get ready in the morning. If there's anything that I missed or anything that you're curious about, please leave in the comments. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.